Hey guys, what's up? So today we're talking about how to tell the time. Let's get started. What time is it? What we'll learn today is how to ask for the time, the difference between AM and PM, how to read both digital and analog clocks, how to tell the time using minutes, quarters, halves, and hours. So, asking for the time. First, we ask for the time like this. What time is it? What time is it? Or, have you got the time? How we answer depends on the time. We can say, it's 9 o'clock. It's 9 in the morning. It's 9 a.m. These are all fine. AM, in the morning. AM is from 12 a.m. to 11:59 a.m. If you were using a 24-hour clock, that's 0 to 11:59. 12 a.m. is called midnight. Anything happening during this time is in the morning. It's 3 in the morning. It's 3 a.m. In the morning, the sun rises. PM, in the afternoon or evening, or at night. PM, or the evening, is from 12 p.m. to 11:59 p.m. Using a 24-hour clock, from 1200 to 23:59. 12 p.m. is called noon. 12:01 to about 5 p.m. is in the afternoon. After 5 to around 8 is in the evening. After 8 to around 6 a.m. is at night. In the evening, the sun sets. It goes down. Analog. An analog clock is a clock with a face. We have the second hand, the little hand, and the big hand. The little hand is for hours. So 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. Those are all hours. The big hand is for minutes. We have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and 60. There's 60 minutes in one full hour. When we speak and try to tell the time, it depends on what time it is. If the big hand is on this side, so from here to here, it's 2. For example, it's a quarter to 3. It's a quarter to 3. From here it would be 20 minutes to, 25 minutes to, 10 minutes, and 5 minutes to. If the big hand is on this side, it's past. For example, here, it's 10 past 3. 10 past 3, a quarter past 3, or half past if it's 30 minutes. Here's a nice little cheat sheet you can use. Digital. Digital is really simple. We can see it's divided to the hour and the minutes. So this is the hour and this is the minutes. So It's 9 o'clock. 12:24. It's 12:24 in the afternoon. It's almost 25 past noon. These are both acceptable. When we have a time that ends in 2 zeros, either in the AM or PM, we can say, it's 7 o'clock. It's 7 a.m. It's 7 in the morning. It's 7 o'clock in the morning. You can say all of these when it's in the AM. During the PM, it's 7 o'clock. It's 7 p.m. It's 7 in the evening. It's 7 o'clock in the evening. It's 7:15. It's 7:30. 7:30, 7:30. And 7:45, it's 7:45. Still following along? Great. Now, let's take what we've learned from the slides and do an exercise. Let's guess what time it is by looking at these clocks. What's the time? What has 2 hands and a face, but no arms and legs? A clock. So, remember, this is all past, 1/4 past, 1/2 past. This is 2, 1/4 to, 5 to, 10 to. So, what's the time? 25 to 12, 7 o'clock, or 25 past 12. 7 o'clock. So what's the time? 20 past 9, 1/4 to 4, or 20 to 9. 20 past 9. What's the time? 10 to 1, 10 past 1, or 5 past 2. 10 past 1. What's the time? 25 to 3, 25 past 3, or 1/4 past 5. It's 25 past 3. What's the time? A 1/4 to 3. What's the time? 1/2 past 8. What's the time? 10 to 4. What's the time? 5 past 12. What's the time? Twenty to 9. What's the time? A quarter past 7. What's the time? Twenty-five to 11. What's the time? Five to 6. What is it? 25 to 3 or 35 to 2? 25 to 3. What's the time? 55 to 2 or 5 to 3? 5 to 3. Twenty to 5 or 20 to 4? 20 to 5. 50 to 10 or 10 to 11? 10 to 11. A quarter to 6 or a quarter to 7? A quarter to 7. Great job! So that's all I have left for you today. Next up, I'll show you what your homework is, and in the meantime, everybody have a great night. So thank you guys for watching. For homework tonight, I'm going to show you a couple slides with clock faces on them. You're going to email me what they are. So we've got this one in the PM, AM, PM, AM, PM, PM, and AM, AM, and PM. Just write back to me what time they are, and have a great evening.